Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Martin of Belvoir Auto Spa. Today is going to be a relatively quick video. I was in AutoZone. I grabbed a handful of products that I saw that I hadn't seen before. What I saw was Blackmagic. Now, we all may be familiar with the Blackmagic brand of car care products. Pretty bottom of the bucket. Not so great stuff. It gets the job done, but I mean, the stuff seems really watered down and overall not that great in my experience. Like the bleach white tire cleaner, which is okay, and they've got some other products, but overall they haven't been so great. So I saw these, so of course they caught me with the buzzwords ceramic and graphene. So we've got a ceramic wheel cleaner and they've got a graphene tire shine. Now the ceramic wheel cleaner is supposed to kind of wash and coat at the same time, and the graphene tire shine is, supposed to be like other graphene tire shines. And we'll see. I did test this out. I didn't really like it. I haven't tested this out yet, and you can see it's got ceramic in it. Kind of settles at the bottom, so you want to make sure you really shake it up. This doesn't really seem like it's got graphene pooled at the bottom that I can see. Anyways, I'll give you a look at the instructions real quick. Okay, pretty pretty straightforward. Rinse the wheel, spray it on, let it sit, clean, agitate, rinse off. The tire shine, again, it's tire shine. Shake, apply the product, let it sit, then wipe off any overspray. So I'll do that. I'll show you how it applies. From what I tested on this, the tire that I did it on has a lot of sipes in it, and it kind of pulled up in a few spots. It didn't really self-level, and it kind of just dried that way. It did survive the rain, so one rainstorm, that's pretty good, more than I expect from Blackmagic. Everyone knows Blackmagic's normal tire shine, so we'll see how this does. So anyways, we're going to go over to my wife's car to a relatively dirty wheel, and we're going to see how it looks. So let's go get set up on that, and we'll get to work. Alright, so we're set up here at the wheel. You can see this thing is pretty dirty. And I figured, in the spirit of, since we're using pretty inexpensive products, we'll use something inexpensive to clean the tire. This is only a couple bucks for a bottle. It does clean tires well, so we'll see how it works. If you're watching this because you're trying to purchase Blackmagic products, you probably don't have your pressure washer and all kinds of, didn't spend a whole lot of money. It's Blackmagic, it's a budget product. Nothing against you. That's just my thoughts on it. Let's see how it works. So first thing I'll do is I'll use the Dawn power wash to spray the tire. Actually, since this does say you want to let it sit, I'm going to spray this on first. So you want to make sure you shake it up, because again, we got that ceramic that settled at the bottom. Alright, make sure your sprayer's turned on. And we'll spray it on the wheel. We'll see how much cleaning power it's got from that. In the meantime, we will get the tires nice and soaked. Now, is this stuff as effective as some dedicated tire cleaners? In my opinion, no. But again, if you're trying to save some money and you're not doing this, you're not washing your car constantly, this is a pretty good cheap product. Alright. Now, I don't see the Blackmagic really pulling off any dirt necessarily, and I just knocked all the bottles over. Whoops. Alright, I'm going to spray it off, and then we'll spray the tire again. So I just want to rinse the tire cleaner off. Okay, it didn't really seem to do a whole lot, and you know, we don't have super hydrophobicness on the wheel in some spots. But it does say to agitate, so let's spray it on again. It does smell good at least. It's got kind of like a berry scent, I guess. Then we'll get our wheel face brush. So I'll be using this. Got this at Walmart. Spray some in the brush. And start to clean the tire or the wheel off. And dirt and grime is coming off. Not super easy, but not crazy difficult either. Some spots that don't really want to come off. All right. Then we'll use our Speedmaster Junior brush because these are not very big wheels. We dip it in the soapy water first. Alright, we'll give it a rinse and we'll see how that hydrophobic property is. It's definitely got some hydrophobic property. Not that great. See around here the water sheets off, but it still sticks in some places. So I'll give it a benefit of the doubt. We'll give it one more once over. Now it says let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, and after you do your time that it takes you to really clean the wheel, in my opinion, it does sit for that amount of time, so see if that did anything. Yeah, it didn't really make a significant difference. The barrels are clean-ish. I've seen better. But yeah, guys, it's a Black Magic wheel cleaner. So let's apply the tire shine. I'm going to dry the wheel off best I can. I'll probably just use some cheap towels, and then I'll apply the tire shine. So I'll be right back. Alright, that's as dry as I'm going to be able to get the wheel. I just dried it off with a microfiber towel instead of letting it air dry. Might have a little bit of moisture in it, but I mean, that's pretty common when people are doing their wheels. So shake it up, use a old crappy microfiber applicator that I got. So it says to spray directly on the tire. I don't like doing that. It makes a freaking mess. And the stuff gets everywhere. It slings all down the side of your car. So I spray it into the applicator, then wipe it on. And it doesn't spray out too well, it just kind of sprays out in a thick stream. see what I was saying is there's a lot of sipes in these tires and the stuff just gets stuck in there. And it dries that way. Alright, I'm going to try to get it out of the sipes the best I can. Okay, and it does have that wet glossy look. So it does say to let it sit for, what did it say, 3 to 5 minutes? 2 to 3 minutes, so I'll be back in 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes, and you can see, like, right there, it just really sets in the sipes of the tire. So unless you got like a smooth tire, really not that great compared to what I've used. But I'm going to use this towel to level it out. This is how I usually apply dressings anyways. Just wipe it out of the... And this has a lot of lint on it, so I apologize. Probably should have picked a better towel, but it's too late now. Alright, and there you have it. So this is the look you are left with. Let me know if what you think. This does give, you know, kind of that wet glossy look, if that's what you like. It's not what I like, but overall it's decent. But again, it looks like crap. Anyways, guys, let's bring it in for the final thoughts. Alright, so final thoughts of the Blackmagic ceramic wheel cleaner. Thumbs down. It's it's so freaking watery. It's not even that many suds. I mean, look, even when I shake it up, yeah, you get some suds in the bottle, but you know, it's not what I'd expect, and I can watch them dissipate. They're already kind of dissipating. Can't really see it on camera, but save your money. Don't even waste your time with this. It's terrible. So I'm gonna set that aside. Blackmagic Intense Graphene Tire Shine. If you like Blackmagic's Tire Shine, which I'm pretty sure is like the only thing anyone buys from this brand, and maybe the bleach white tire cleaner, the Graphene Tire Shine, it's good if you want that wet look. If you got a lot of those sipes in your tire, you're gonna have to do some extra work. I don't remember the prices that I paid for these, so I apologize. I saw them at AutoZone, so you have to get them at AutoZone. If I do find a link to them online, I will post the links below if you're interested. But overall, this compared to Adam's Graphene Tire Shine, which I'll be doing a review on, and Turtle Wax Graphene Acrylic Tire Shine, no contest. Turtle Wax is way better, Adam's is way better. But, you know, I know most people, there's a lot of people that just want to clean their car once a month, so they're just looking for cheap products. For a cheap tire shine that gives, you know, a nice look, it's not bad. So there you have it, guys. If you appreciated the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below on your thoughts of this, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.